If you're facing a problem where your Spotify web player is not working, this might be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet, so let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your settings and then go inside of your general, scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset and reset network settings and reset all settings. Finally, once you've done both of that, then you want to simply go ahead and clear your browser cache, open your apps, and then you want to simply go ahead and look for the browser that you're using. Simply go ahead and tap on it, and all you need to do is simply go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find clear history and web data. All you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on that, and it should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if that still doesn't fix your problem, you might need to go ahead and change your browser. So if you're using Chrome, try Firefox or Edge or Brave or anything else. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.